Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Cash App payment failed for protection. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, if you try to send the money to someone, it's getting the error like this, and I'll show you how can you fix it. So first of all guys, what you need to do is just simply have to close this page. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to make sure that if you are sending the money to the correct person. Okay guys, so guys, if you are going to send the money the first time to someone, maybe that's why it's not working, just simply have to save the number in your device. Okay guys, so first you have to save the number. If you are sending the money through the number, just simply have to save the number in your device, and after that try to send it again. Okay guys, and if you are sending large amount of money, maybe that's why it's not working, just simply try to send the less money from the previous one and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, just simply contact with the receiver and make sure that if his account is not closed. Okay guys, just simply have to make sure that if his account is active and his cash card is also active. Okay guys, and then try to send the money again. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to contact with the bank. Okay guys, you have to contact with your bank and make sure that if the problem is not from your end. Okay guys, and after that check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply have to open any browser in your phone. Like I'm opening Safari here, and from here you have to search for status.cash.app. So from here you have to make sure that if Cash App source is not done. So guys, if Cash App link is not done, then what you need to do guys, just simply have to open the settings. So let me open the settings. From here you have to scroll it down, tap on general. So from here you have to tap on iPhone storage. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to scroll it down, tap on Cash App. From here you have to offload the app. When you offload the app guys, after that you can easily see reinstall. Just simply have to reinstall the app. So by doing that, your Cash App will be refreshed and hopefully you can send the money to anyone. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.